Hi, another day, another surgery. So, for our case for today is breast augmentation. No? Breast augmentation po uli. So, this is a virgin case. So, mas madali po pag virgin case. So, but we are yet to decide if it's above the muscle or under the muscle. No? So, mamaya mag-uusap kami ng patient. So, mamaya siya magde-decide. So, explain ko lahat, yung mga pros and cons, katulad ng sinabi ko noon, no? So, that's our case for today. So, on the next few days, we'll be having the cosmetic surgery mission again. But, it's going to be in Bataan, no? Sa Bataan po ang aming cosmetic surgery mission. That will be on April 11. No? So, that's a Saturday. So, may rhinoplasty and blepharoplasty. It's going to be at Mount Samat Medical Center. No? So, makikita-kita po tayo, mga taga-Bataan. So, tama-tama, tatapos na ng Bataan Day. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery.
Tanong sa sarili, pwede pa bang mas gumanda to daily? May confidence pero gusto pang i-level. Hanap ko'y tiwala, hindi lang.
Hi, I'm done doing our breast augmentation. Well, I'd like to correct my statement earlier. This is a revision. No, revision pala. Kasi sunod-sunod yung breast augmentation. Nalito na ako. So this is a revision breast augmentation. This is a contracture, grade 3 contracture. So, the patient wants a more natural breast. So, I changed the plane, make it subpectoral or under the muscle. This is above the muscle yung una niya na nag-contracture. So, I changed the plane. So, it's submuscular. And I used moderate plus profile. Yung una niya is high profile, kaya parang naaganyan lang. And subglandular. No? So, this is subpectoral under the muscle, kaya walang implant show. You cannot see or palpate the implant. Okay? So, I will see you after a week. Another day. Another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the additional surgery for today. No? We're supposed to do one surgery, which is breast augmentation. And he did one Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. This is revision. So she had rhinoplasty using pure ear cartilage for the bridge and the tip. So medyo nag-warp yung kanyang cartilage, nag-resorb. So we need to redo it. So I placed Gore-Tex for the bridge and septal extension graft. Then I place only graft for the tip. So very nice. This is the super tip break and the tip. And I did overhang correction, no, or the alar lift. And you can see there's already columellar show. No? Very nice, maganda. Okay. Not too high, not too long. Okay, that's it. Another day, another surgery.